Hey friends, Jessica with Memphis Public Libraries, and today's story time is going to be Hippity Hoppity. It's all about bunnies, and we're going to start with our opening song and we're going to sing it twice. Now it's time to sing hello, sing hello, sing hello. Now it's time to sing hello and start our story time. Now it's time to sing hello, sing hello, sing hello. Now it's time to sing hello and start our story time. Good job, everybody. We're going to sing a second song now. For our second song, we're going to sing If You're Hoppy and You Know It, okay? If you're hoppy and you know it, hop around. If you're hoppy and you know it, hop around. If you're hoppy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're hoppy and you know it, hop around. If you're hoppy and you know it, shake your ears. If you're hoppy and you know it, shake your ears. If you're hoppy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're hoppy and you know it, shake your ears. If you're hoppy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're hoppy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're hoppy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're hoppy and you know it, stomp your feet. Good job. If you're hoppy and you know it, wiggle your nose. If you're hoppy and you know it, wiggle your nose. If you're hoppy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're hoppy and you know it, wiggle your nose. Good job, everybody.
Today we're reading Little White Rabbit by Kevin Henkes. Little White Rabbit hopped along. When he hopped through the high grass, he wondered what it would be like to be green. Can you imagine what it would be like to be green? When he hopped by the fir trees, he wondered what it would like to be tall. Can you be tall? When he hopped over the rock, he wondered what it would be like not to be able to move. Can you be still like a rock? When he hopped under the butterflies, he wondered what it would be like to flutter through the air. Can you pretend to fly through the air? Hello. Bye-bye. Pretend to fly. When he hopped past the cat, he was too frightened to wonder anything. So he turned around and hopped as fast as he could. Can you hop as fast as you can? Soon Little White Rabbit was home. He still wondered about many things. But he didn't wonder who loved him. Give someone who loves you a big hug. The end.
Another song we're going to do today is Little Bunny Foo Foo. I remember singing that as a kid. I'm sure my mom remembers me singing. I thought it was the funniest song ever. So we're going to sing that song, but it is not nice to bop field mice on the head or any animal. But it's a silly song, so we're going to sing it. Ready? Okay. Little Bunny Foo Foo hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head. Down came the good fairy. Little Bunny Foo Foo, I don't want to see you scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head. I'll give you 3 more chances. Okay? Little Bunny Foo Foo hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head. Down came the good fairy. Little Bunny Foo Foo, I don't want to see you scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head. I'll give you 2 more chances. Little Bunny Foo Foo hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head. Down came the good fairy. Little Bunny Foo Foo, I don't want to see you scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head. This is your last chance. Do we believe him? Little Bunny Foo Foo, Little Bunny Foo Foo hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head. Down came the good fairy. Little Bunny Foo Foo, I don't want to see you scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head. I gave you 3 chances and you did not behave. Now I'm going to turn you into a goon. The moral of the story is, hare today, goon tomorrow. So the last thing that we're going to do before we sing our goodbye song is we're going to make a bunny craft. And it's something you can do with most of the things you have at your house. What you need is a piece of paper, a pencil, scissors, and some things to color with. And what we are going to do is we are going to trace our hand. And this is my little tiny hand, since my hand is an adult hand. So we're going to trace our hand. Then we're going to lift it up and we're just going to close it off. After you do that, you want to cut it out with your scissors. If you need help from your grown-up, just ask. So there's our hand. We're done with the paper and with our scissors. And what we're going to do is you're going to take your hand and we're going to take the middle one and we're going to fold it back just like that. And then these 2 side ones, you're going to fold the thumb in and you're going to fold the pinky in. Is it starting to look like a bunny rabbit and his little hands? And now we can give him a face. So I'm going to give my bunny some little eyes. I'm going to give him a little pink nose. And I'm going to give mine a mouth and some whiskers. And you can make your bunnies any color you want out of any color paper. You can color their ears. Ooh, you could even give him a little carrot if you wanted to cut out a carrot for him to be eating. So there's my bunny with some whiskers. And this bunny, I'm going to give him some little bunny teeth. There we go. You've got your cute little bunnies. Thanks for joining us for the story time today. It's time to sing our last song. Are you ready, Bunny? Okay. Now it's time to say goodbye, say goodbye, say goodbye. Now it's time to say goodbye, but we'll see you next time. Now it's time to say goodbye, say goodbye, say goodbye. Now it's time to say goodbye, but we'll see you next time. Bye everybody. See you next time.